Hey, welcome to Nikki the Analyst. Today I'm going to do a very short video because I'm going to get into something new. I'm going to get into object-oriented programming. This is something that makes me nervous, kind of scared to do because the first time I had to learn it, I was not very good at it, but I'm going to work through this together, and I'm going to put this like in not small chunks, but we're going to break it apart over maybe just no more than 2 videos, hopefully not 3, and just to, go over object-oriented programming. So what is object-oriented programming? It's based in the concept of objects. So with object-oriented programming, we're looking at data structures or objects that are defined. And we're going to put we're going to assign their own properties or attributes. So for something simple as a car, so what does the car do? So the attributes of the car, that the car is blue and the car goes fast. And how are we going to put that all together to make it happen? Where there's going to be some importing and things like that. Sorry if it's a little confusing, but I'm better at showing, but we're gonna all get this together. So I'm just gonna do a quick video on importing because the project I'm doing has a lot of parts, and just so it won't be like a long video, I'm just gonna show something really quick. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Oh, no, wrong button. All right, so we're just gonna do a quick import in Python, because this isn't something that not done yet. So importing. So import, right? Let's say we wanted to import, like how we said, a car. So we have import car, right? But it doesn't know what it means. So let's go ahead and we're gonna create on a different tab. So actually, if you're in PyCharm, I just went to create a new project. So this project is on be with its own. So this is main, and I'm going to create a new file within this. Oh, and it's coming up over here. Sorry, not sure if you can see this, but we're going to do new file, and we're going to name this one car underscore. We'll just call it actually we'll call it underscore car. Fine. Oh, what's it asking me? Oh, it's asking me what kind. This is going to be Python. Okay. Oh, actually, it put it in the wrong screen. Okay, so we're going to, right here. Here we go. New file. Okay, and we're going to name it car underscore fun. Okay. So what are we going to put in car underscore fun? So we'll put cars. Oh, sorry, it keeps going to another screen I have on. Cars equal, actually we'll put car underscore color equals blue, right? Just something easy. Car underscore type equals Toyota. Just say Toyota. Okay, right? So we have this just sitting here. But let's just say we wanted to put it into, we're working on a huge Python, not a huge one. We're just working on a Python code and there's something somewhere else and we want to put it here. And you don't necessarily want to copy and paste. You just want it to connect. If you do any other languages, coding languages, so it's something simple, might just be like SQL. When you want to join tables, so you have your outer join, your inner joins. It's a whole nother can of worms. Maybe I'll do videos on quick SQL refresh. I haven't worked on SQL in over a year, so I probably should refresh because if you don't use it, you lose it. So we're gonna put import car. Okay, why are we getting this red line here? What is the rename reference? Okay. How about we just start over? I don't know what this is right here. Let's just car, import. There we go. we're back in the green. Underscore fun, right? It's there. So how do we get what we've seen over there to come over here? And we'll just do a quick little print statement. And like I said, this is a quick video. You know, we can look up some more things. Actually, I'll probably put some tag some things in the comment section, the notes of this video, just so you can just, you know, get a little understanding what it is. So we're going to import from car fun. And we're going to put, what was one of the other ones over there? Car. Where was it? Car underscore color, right? Make sure I did this right. Why isn't this? Oh, sorry. Look at this. Look at this. This is Python. This is not Python. Ha. Look right here. It is not Python. So we're gonna redo this. Python file. I think I just clicked file. I didn't click Python file. So thinking back on the videos about debugging, technically speaking, this will be a bug, or this is something that can happen. So this is why I work things on camera. I don't edit things out because it's something we all could have done. So we're just going to create it. Okay. Car fun. Look, there we go. And we'll just go ahead and copy and paste it. We don't have to retype it. See, now we have that lovely Python symbol. Let's try this again. Look, everything looks good. Look at that. And we can also, let's do print again. Car fun. Oh, look at now everything's coming up. I was wondering, I was like, what is going on? Car type, right? So remember, we'll just get rid of that. That's just confusing. So remember, we're going to import from this other file, right? So let's run. Let's see what happens. Okay. Name error. Okay, let's see what's going on. Let's just do. Oh. I think that might be the problem. Because what does it say? Not defined. I don't think, yeah, we didn't define it. Well, let's try this again. I could have just used the example that I know for a fact works, but we're going to try things out because why not? There we go. So I'm assuming Python didn't know if it was a string or in intervals. Like, what is that word? Integer, interval. Didn't know if it was a word or a number. So let's go to print. Oops, that was correct. Print. Car fun. And let's do car type. See, look at this. It's all working now. We're debugging our own things. So look, I imported that. We got blue and we got Toyota. Sounds cool to me. So like I said, there's next video. We're going this way more in depth. It's going to be fun. Hopefully not too long because I think short videos are better. I don't know. Leave leave a note in the comments. Tell me what you think, and we will continue to go through Python together. So welcome to welcome to object-oriented programming. So it's the next phase of me learning Python, and this actually, I think we're more in an intermediate phase. So welcome to the new phase.